welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to know your Instagram password. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to know your Instagram password, then I will show you how to see your Instagram password. First of all, you need to open your Instagram app. Below you can see your profile icon. Just tap on the profile icon. After that, you can see your top right side 3 lines. Just tap on the 3 lines. Just tap on the settings. In this you will see security option. Just tap on the security. Just tap on the password. Guys, you can see if you want to change your password, you need your current password. Guys, if you don't know your current password, you cannot set your new password. For that, then go back. Below you will find saved login info. Just tap on this and save login. Just enable this option. Then go back. Open your Gmail app. Here, if you are logged in with your multiple Gmail accounts, then you have to select the account which Instagram account is linked to that Gmail ID. After selecting that account, you will find this Google account. Just tap on the Google account. In this you can see home, personal info, data and privacy. Just you need to side this menu. You can see here security option. Just tap on that security. You need to scroll a little bit. In last second option you can see password manager. Just tap on the password manager. Here you can see your password security apps. Whichever you have the password security, all the apps will be listed here. Gmail, Facebook, Amazon, Instagram, all the listed apps will be found here. Suppose if you want to find Instagram, then type Instagram. Just tap on the Instagram. Here you need to allow your fingerprint. You can see the Instagram ID and below you will find the Instagram password also. If you can just tap on this C logo, your password will be seen from here. After seeing the current password, you can set the new password from Instagram app. That's it guys. So in this way you can know your Instagram password. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.